In this video, I'm going to show you how to set leverage in PrimeXBT. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to of course sign into your account on PrimeXBT, and then you want to go to crypto futures over here. Now, you want to use either a real or a demo account. This is completely up to you. And if you are not seeing crypto futures up here, you can create your account by going to accounts, create new account, and then crypto futures. Continue, select if you want a real or a demo account, and then just create one like that. Now, after you do that, over here you'll be able to see your graphs from TradingView, your order books and trades, and then here you can see you can go ahead and buy and sell, or long or short. Now, here you can see it says cross, and then next to it you can see it says 400x, and then you have this pen button. Now, click on this little pen button over here, and then over here you can see the leverage and margin settings. Now here it says you're trading in hedge mode. To adjust leverage and margin settings, please switch to netting mode. I'm going to change mode right now, and I'm going to go to netting over here. And as you can see, all positions must be closed. So in case you have any closed or any open positions, which I do, you have to first close all of them to be able to switch. There we go. I just closed these on my demo account. And then you have to go up here, change mode, netting, confirm. And then now when I did this over here, you can click on this pen button again. And as you can see, there's your leverage. Now your leverage currently is going to be 400x, as you can see over here, but you can go ahead and change that as well. So if you go to cross, it's going to be 400x automatically, but if you go to isolated, you can of course change your leverage as well. So you can go from 2x upwards to, I think, 200x, yes, like this. So that's then up to you, and then you want to click on set, and then it will basically change your leverage. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.